Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic Piña Colada. Continue watching to find out how I make this creamy and refreshing drink. This Piña Colada drink, I'll be using fresh pineapple. Feel free to use frozen or canned pineapple. So I'm going to peel the pineapple. When I'm done peeling the pineapple, I will cut the pineapple into smaller pieces. When I'm done cutting the pineapple, I will set aside. To make this drink, I'll be making use of homemade coconut milk. It's so easy to make. You just have to blend the coconut and sieve to get the coconut milk. So I'll be adding the coconut milk into the blender. Add the cut pineapple. Add some ice cubes. You can sweeten it with honey or any sweetener of your choice. I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. I hope you can see how easy it is to make this Piña Colada. This is so refreshing, fresh, creamy, and so tasty. I hope you try this, and thank you all for watching.